In this video, I will share with you step-by-step instruction and information how to make a jerk chicken sandwich. Jerk chicken sandwich is very easy to prepare. Just follow these simple instructions. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. To make my jerk chicken sandwich, I'll be using jerk chicken. I'll be also using a red onion. I'll be also using a table tomato. I'll be also using lettuce. I will be also using cheese singles. I'll be also using dough bread or hot dog bread or burger bread. So it's optional. You can use any one of these bread. The choice is yours. I'll be also using a little ketchup. I'll be also using some mustard, and I will also using mayonnaise. These are the ingredients I'll be using to make my jerk chicken sandwich. However, it is optional. You can use the brand of your choice. Now, I will debone my jerk chicken. So we are making jerk chicken sandwich, so we need to get all the bone from our chicken pieces. So we gotta cut off all the bony part of the chicken. So if you are that good by deboning chicken, you make you a special cut. Or if you just want to pick it up with hands, it's optional. So we're just making a few cuts and extract the bone from our chicken pieces here. So this is our jerk chicken. So we're making jerk chicken sandwich, so we are deboning our jerk chicken. So that's a piece of chicken, boneless. So you gotta make one cutter down, one cut on the leg, butter, open it and pull the bone from the chicken. So all bone are gone. So now we have our boneless chicken pieces to make our jerk chicken sandwich. Okay, so now this is our table tomato. So we'll slice it in rings. If you want to do it in a different shape or style, it's optional. So we're just making some big rings, but we want our jerk chicken sandwich to look presentable. So everything we are doing here is optional. So if you cannot manage to do it like this, just do it the way you can. Your sandwich will taste the same, but presentation is just what we are doing here. Get it looking attractable or eatable. So this is our lettuce. So we will pick some of the leaf from the lettuce. Yes, so this is our lettuce. So we're just using, we're not going to use all of this lettuce, we're just using a couple of the leaves. So as I see, I'm presenting everything again, but preparing them to put my jerk chicken sandwich together. So this is our red onion. So we need some rings, some onion rings. So you need a sharp knife to make these cut, to get them looking neat and uniform. So a sharp knife do the trick. A dull knife would not give you a perfect cut. But as I say, it's optional. Use whatever tool or instrument you have. So we have our boneless jerk chicken ready to make our sandwich, our table tomato cut and ready, our lettuce is ready, and however this jerk chicken sandwich is optional. If you don't eat tomato, remove it from it. If you don't like onion, you don't have to use it. If you don't like lettuce, you don't have to use it. So it's optional, but this is all we are presenting this. So always remember it's optional. So this is our scallop. We're gonna toast our bread. So we're toasting the bread on a stove top. So we put our scallop to preheat and toast our bread. So if you don't want to toast your bread, you can skip this step and go ahead. If you want to toast the bread, you can watch this step, which everybody knows to toast bread. So this is nothing much to pay attention to, but this is what we are doing. And if you want to toast your bread crispy, it's up to you. And if you just want to all of these things are optional. So there is no rule that you have to do what I do, but I am doing it this way. So if you notice, I present hard dough bread, and we present hot dog rolls, we present burger bread. However, the American call it hot dog bun and burger bun. So it's the same thing. So if you call it bread, it's bread, and if you call it bun, it's bun. It's doing the job. So just bear that in mind. So these are our cheese single. So this is our ketchup. We present these before, but now we have them ready to work with. So we just present. So now that they're not in the container with the names, so after we make you know what is in these containers. So we're using the mayonnaise, the mustard, the ketchup. So that is what is in these little small containers. Right. So the bread is optional. You use whatever bread you want to use. A bun, we are going to use the burger bread, or whatever you would call it. So it's optional. Use what work best for you. All right, so we're gonna put away the hard dough bread and the hot dog roll. We're gonna use the burger bread. This is what we're gonna use to do our jerk chicken. Alright, it's now time to assemble our jerk chicken. So I'm gonna put a little, first we're gonna apply some mayonnaise. So it all depends on, if you don't use mayonnaise, don't put it on your jerk chicken. All of these are optional. So you gotta lightly spread some mayonnaise on our bread. So it all depends on how you use mayonnaise. You apply what's work best for you. So alright, then we will know add our boneless jerk chicken. It's a sandwich, so you don't want to encounter with any bones, so we debone the chicken. So this is alright. We gotta apply our cheese singer. If you don't eat cheese, don't put it in your jerk chicken sandwich. All these are optional, but this is how we're making this sandwich. So you can add what you want and extract what you don't. Simple as that. So now we will add some onion rings. And remember, this is food, just apply or add each individual item and make it look presentable. Very important. It's food. People eat with their eyes. Something look delicious and nice, they're in for it. So now we add our lettuce. Alright, so if you use mustard, you can add a little mustard, just a little. Everything here is optional. Alright, got a little ketchup. If you don't use ketchup, leave it alone. As I say, it's optional. We add the word tomato. We add our next half of the bread. And as you can see, this is our jerk chicken sandwich. And to make it look more presentable, that's a grape. So that's a grape. We just stick a grape on the top. So we, as I say, presentation make a difference. So that's a grape. If you want to use olive. So this is my jerk chicken sandwich, complete and ready to eat. So if you think this video is educational or interested, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more video like this. Yeah, so this is my finished jerk chicken sandwich. Tell me what you think. Could you make your sandwich more presentable than this? Let me know. It's always a pleasure to listen and see what would you do. Yes, I'm ready to bite into this sandwich. It's very lovely. Jerk chicken sandwich. Very simple and easy to do. So here is our big bite. all for watching.